We're working in Photoshop with a clear objective, making design decisions that improve visual perception, not just appearance. Social media layouts often look inconsistent because frames are rebuilt for every post. Without a reusable structure, designs lose rhythm and visual flow across a series. The layout starts by defining consistent frame areas using frame mask. These frames act as anchors, keeping image placement predictable and clean. When images are added, they adapt automatically, maintaining proportions and alignment. This consistency is critical when designing multiple slides for carousel-style content. A common issue is manually cropping images differently on each slide. This breaks visual continuity